Stay a Little Longer by Rose. We're going to learn how to play on the ukulele. We're going to go over all the chords here real quick. The chords are the same for the entire song except for the pre-chorus. So the chords for the intro, the first verse, the chorus, second verse, bridge, everything. It's going to be an A to a C sharp minor, an F sharp minor, and a D. And then the chords for the pre-chorus starts with an F sharp minor to an E to a D. Then you play an A, a C sharp minor, and a D. And those are the chords for the pre-chorus. I will play the first verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, just so you can see where the chords are placed in the song, and then I'll go over a strumming pattern you could use at the end. So the intro, it's just A, C, F sharp, and D played through F sharp minor, C sharp minor. So it's just... Then you go to the first verse. Stay a little longer, take a little longer to pack up your bags. You're moving too fast, make me wanna hate you, so I don't have to miss you or make a mistake, so there's someone to blame. Then you go to the pre-chorus. I'll teach you that. Can't stand these four walls without you inside them. Build us a castle, then leave me in silence. What if I tangled some rope around your feet into the ocean, 'cause I'm not too deep. Then you go to the chorus. The chorus. Please, won't you stay a little longer, babe. Don't walk away when I'm here calling your name. I'm fragile, I'm speechless, don't leave me in pieces. Already having enough trouble breathing. Please, won't you stay a little longer, babe. Then you would go to the second verse. It's the same as the first verse. That's where all the chords are placed in the song, and now I'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. The picking part that I'm doing for the intro and the verses is actually really simple. You just play the chords through A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, and a D, and all you do is you go, starting at the G string at the top, you just go all the way down and all the way back up. So you stop on the way up, you stop at the C. So it's a G, C, E, A, E, C. So. And that's it for the picking pattern. Now for the strumming. Down, up, 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 down, Those are all the chords that you need to know. Those are the patterns for strumming and picking. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another one.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main, awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Ahoy, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the chorus. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the chorus. You can impress yourself.